FYI guys, you know that we all need a haircut now. I mean, it's been months that all of us probably have had our last haircut. But it's not just people who need haircut. Dogs too need haircut, and here's Diva Dog. Grooming and hotel. This is for dogs. And now there's grooming dogs here. There's wow. Yeah, these dogs. So here are their prices, by the way. So this is their number. 0917-868-6051. So you want a dog here. If you're a small dog, they have different types of services. They have Diva Bath, Trim, Shave, and Diva Overload. And yes, they can even cater to super big dogs, and they have services like free cleaning. Oh, and that's those are not amazing services, guys. So they're located here in Parkmall. They're open already, even on a Sunday. So yes, if you have pets, you better bring them to Parkmall, the most pet-friendly mall here in Cebu. Definitely by a mile. Yeah. You know, hugging. Yeah, look at them. They're showered, being trimmed, and there, look at that. Seems the dogs are enjoying their bath as well as their haircut. So yes, although yes, not all breeds are for haircut, but these kinds of breeds like the Shih Tzus, the cute Shih Tzus would need one. And yes, good for them. Yeah, remember the name? Diva Dog here in Parkmall. So while at it, also there are other services here. We have the pet store company here and the animal wellness veterinary clinic. If you have needs, dog needs, yes, it's a new normal. So they have so if you love dogs, if you want to have care for dogs and you don't know where to go yet, well, the easy answer would be Parkmall, because here your pets will be taken care of, and you as well. So thank you so much for watching this episode, of what you can do here in Cebu right now during the new normal. Yeah, keep an eye for all your dog grooming services, and you have the pet shop, your feed, and there's a clinic here. So check out Parkmall, guys, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, let me know, and see you in our next videos. And thanks for all the support. Bye.